Okay, on this BCD436HP, show you how to do the fire tone option. First, I went the main menu and I clicked tone out, and it's going to do the setup real quick. As you see, I got the GMRS 550, the 575, and the 600. Let's check this first one. Set frequency, you can edit, you can set your modulation, tone A and B, then your delay time is 5 seconds. Now your tone, there's 9 tones, and I'll show you for each sample which one it sounds like. Here's tone 1, or alert 1. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I like number 7. Now if you do your set alert light, you have a couple of options here. You got your blue, which will be shown down here, the left side of the speaker, the upper left side. There's your red, magenta, green, cyan, yellow, and white. Let's say if you say red, you got your options here for pattern. You got your on, your slow blink, and your fast blink. If it says on, this is slow blink, and this is fast blink. It's back on. So I'm just going to back out, and I'm going to leave it off since I don't use it. And we could go back to standby and hit enter. Now, if your station, say if your county fire or city fire pages out more than, say, 5 stations, you could program up to 5, but you could program up to 32 tone outs. But you cannot scan 2 frequencies at once. It only can scan 1 frequency at once, but it can scan up to 32 tones at once. As you can see, it's going back and forth. And I got my ICOM radio, and I'm going to set off a tone right now. This is on channel 0, as you can see. Now, if your station pages out more than one tone, you can see it's not changing your A and B, even if you're on standby or hold or anything. So now channel 4 should go off. Channel 4 went off. Now, if you want to search for a tone, basically, I got one set up here where you see where it says search. Okay, go back. Whoops. Yeah, go back to your tone out option. You go to setup. Now I'm going to go to number 2. Then you could set your tone. If you want search, you put 0.0 on A, and for tone B, 0.0, and that will set your tones where you could see what's going on. Okay, now we'll go back to it. This is channel 1. I'll go to my other channel here. See, I'm keying it up, but you don't see nothing. But now, I'm going to set off a tone right now. Wow. Okay, it should clear out in a few seconds. I'm going to resend it again. This is a tone test on 575. Now, if your station pages out more than one tone, even on search, see, it's not, that's a different tone. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to record it, say if you're out of the room, you just hit easy, just hit function and replay. Record starting, hit enter for yes. Now, if we go and hit the tone again, well, that took a second for it to go off. This is a tone beat test. As you see, short tones for the 0 for A and whatever the numbers for the bottom. Now I'm going to do a two-tone. Radio check. Alright, now, say if you want to stop recording and you want to review it, just hit function, replay, and hit enter for yes, and it found 12 audios. So you hit enter for yes to save it. Now, to review it, say if you missed that tone and you hit on record, go to your settings, go to replay options, then review recordings. Now, every time you record something, it's going to go all the way to the bottom. So I'm going to scroll to the right, or excuse me, to the left, and it's going to bring me all the way to the bottom of the list, which would be there, and you can replay it. This is on channel 0, as you can see. Channel 4 went off. Now that I redid. This is a tone test on 575. You won't hear the tones if you're doing a search mode. So if your station pages out more than one page and the tone went off and it found the numbers, if they continue toning out, you hear the other tones. This is a tone beat test. Radio check. Now, like I said, if you are doing a search and you have the infinite chord on there, it's going to blink, blink, blink until you write down the numbers and you hit your channel / mod, hit that, and it's going to clear it out and it's going to go back to the search mode, and I'll show you that. I'm going to set off the tone. I got to go back to it. Now I'm going to set off the tone. For some reason, I don't know why, sometimes it will do that. It's not correct, so I have to let that clear. See if you already got it. Whoops, let me do it again. Just hit this, and it's back to search again. That's it. And I hope that helps out, and I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.